Presentation Hero Academy presents Be Consistent with Your Layouts, lesson number 13 of the presentation design module. We have to talk about layouts because with computers we have this freedom, we have this canvas that we can fill with whatever we want and wish. Well, that's exhilarating, but we do need a set of rules so that we can know how to fill that space. Why would we need rules? Well, basically because we want to give a sense of order to our space. We're going to give a sense of belonging to the single slides of the presentation, and we want to give to our audience a sense of the continuity of what we're telling. Right now, you should have some Post-it notes with a sequence of your slides. You should have some sketches with the roughly the layouts that you need. So my suggestion to you is to start thinking in terms of layouts, in terms of grids, before you create the actual slides. Create all the layouts that you need, but remember to create always as few as possible. The layouts can determine the different moments and the different sections of your presentation, and to that purpose you can also use color. You can alter the layout of your slides when it makes sense, but do it inside of the grids. And don't be afraid to reuse the different layouts in different moments of your presentation. Your audience will appreciate it. So my message for you with all of this design process is to be consistent with your color palette, be consistent with your fonts, and be consistent with your layout. To summarize, I suggest that you work beforehand on your layouts and you determine the minimum amount of layouts that you will need to create your presentation.